How to change storage location of photos on your Android device. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Camera app on your device. In here, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings. After you click on Settings, scroll down and you will find Storage option below Store Location Data. In my case, SD card is not available, so there is no way to change storage location, but you will find it in here. You can simply click on it and change the storage location as you want, which is your device or the SD card. This is how to change storage location of photos on your Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.